All right. What's crack-a-lacking, yo? See future. Boom. Check it out. 6 o'clock in the morning. Got up. This is what we're working on. Check this out. Here we go. So, just a quick little overview. We have the triple alternator bracket with the two, count of 1, 2, and that is some, what were we drinking yesterday? Blood orange? Yep, good stuff. So, Steve and I got the alternators in. We had to sand down some areas just so we can make contact to ground, because the bracket from Sky High was powder coated, which I'm not upset about that. They're trying to protect their product. Everything's great, right? So we got the gates, green belt on there, solid. Then Steve helped out with doing some looming. That's a ground going from chassis to just a standard battery. And then we loomed some little miscellaneous parts there, and then also down there. We're about to get, I'm gonna make a part 2. So this is video part 1. Peace.
Put that in your pipe and smoke it.
Yeah.